Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering how exactly you can fund your Uphold account? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world of digital finance, having a clear understanding of your payment options is key to seamlessly navigating platforms like Uphold. Whether you're diving into cryptocurrencies, trading precious metals, or exploring different fiat currencies, knowing how to get your funds into your Uphold wallet is the first crucial step. Uphold has grown into a popular platform, known for its versatility and the sheer range of assets it supports. This means users from all walks of life, with different financial backgrounds and preferences, are turning to Uphold to manage their digital and traditional holdings. To cater to this diverse user base, Uphold offers a variety of payment methods, each with its own set of benefits and considerations. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty and explore the different ways you can fund your Uphold account. One of the most straightforward and widely used options is linking your bank account. Uphold typically supports bank transfers in various currencies, allowing you to deposit funds directly from your checking or savings account. This method is often preferred for its reliability and the potential for larger deposit limits. However, processing times can vary depending on your bank and location, so it's worth checking the estimated timeframe provided by Uphold. Another convenient option is using debit and credit cards. Major card providers like Visa and MasterCard are generally accepted. Funding your account with a card is usually instant, allowing you to start trading or transacting without delay. This can be particularly useful when you want to capitalize on immediate market opportunities. Keep in mind that some card issuers may charge fees for cryptocurrency-related transactions, so it's always a good idea to check with your bank. For those already immersed in the digital asset space, Uphold also supports funding via cryptocurrencies. If you hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other supported cryptocurrencies in an external wallet, you can easily deposit them into your Uphold account. This allows you to consolidate your holdings and leverage Uphold's platform for further trading or conversions. The processing time for crypto deposits depends on the specific blockchain network and its congestion. In certain regions, Uphold also offers alternative payment methods like digital payment platforms or e-wallets. These can provide an additional layer of convenience and may be preferred by users who are already familiar with these services. The availability of these options often depends on your geographical location, so it's best to check the specific options available within your Uphold account settings. It's important to remember that deposit limits, processing times, and potential fees can vary depending on the payment method you choose and your account verification level. Uphold typically has different tiers of verification, with higher levels unlocking greater deposit and withdrawal limits. Always review the specific terms and conditions outlined by Uphold for each payment option to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. Understanding these payment options empowers you to choose the method that best suits your individual needs and circumstances. Whether you prioritize speed, security, or convenience, Uphold offers a range of ways to get your funds onto the platform and start exploring its diverse offerings. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.